Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix freezing problem on your device. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to watch any show on Netflix, but if the show just keeps on freezing, then there are a few issues that might be causing this. The first and main issue is that your internet connection might have gone out. So just go ahead and open up any other website, and if this website is working just fine, then your internet connection is as well. Once you check on this, try changing your Wi-Fi network as well. You can also try switching for an Ethernet connection to get more stable internet speeds. Finally, you can try running a speed test to check and see if your internet speed is fast enough for a smooth playback. If your download speed is good enough, then just try refreshing the page, and this time your show should be running smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix freezing problems on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.